Hi, folks. All right, so we're going to share today with you our home theater installation that we did. So we installed this TV today, and she just got a brand new Mercedes. What is this? It's a Mercedes E300. She just got it, brand new. I mean, like day before yesterday. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now we're going to go in here in this beautiful home in this beautiful gated neighborhood. Okay. And we're going to show you our entire installation that we've done. It's very dynamic. Okay. So we'll go in here first of all. This is our computer room. We installed this Sony audio system in here for her and hooked it up to Bluetooth. It's really nice. And then we installed this printer for her on her desk. She got a really, really beautiful home. Really pretty. See? We installed that printer. And then we also installed the Ring doorbell for her. And here we go. We also installed the Ring video doorbell. It's all hooked up to her phone and everything. And we installed, she got beautiful art too. Look at her art, gorgeous. We also installed the Ring chime. There's a Ring chime that extends her Wi-Fi signal. Plus, it gives her a chime for the wireless Ring doorbell. And then we installed, look how beautiful this home is. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. So then we installed this home theater right here in the living room. Now you see the Bose speakers up top. See the Bose speakers in the rear. And then we put her subwoofer in here. There's the Bose bass module. And then here's a real subwoofer under here, which is hooked up wirelessly. That's a Jamo subwoofer with 2 passive radiators and 1 driver with a Clips wireless transmitter and receiver. Look how pretty her house is. It's just beautiful. Look at out there, folks. See, look, she's on the lake here. And you see the pond? You can't see the pond from here. Oh, there you can. Yeah. See the pond? She's out there. This is beautiful. This house is beautiful. She's just got beautiful, beautiful art. Okay, so anyway, we installed this system, and we hooked it up to Alexa. So here's the Alexa right here. And then we have we'll tell Alexa to turn it on. Alexa, turn on television.
Okay.
And you see how she just automatically turned everything on? See? Comes up on the screen. And then there's a Yamaha receiver right there. There's a Logitech hub for the remote control, which is right here in the cradle, which enables it to just one touch. Or you can use her. Then there is the Dish Network receiver, and then here is the LG or the Samsung 50-inch in there. Isn't that beautiful? It's a beautiful room. Look at this. Okay, so yeah. Then we installed, and watch this. Alexa, turn on the living room.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the pantry.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the pantry.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on family room.
Okay.
Oh, she must have the switches turned off. Yes, she does. She's got the switches turned off. But if the switch turned off, it was turned on, and I told Alexa what to do. It'll turn these lights on here. Or these lights on up here. She got the switches turned off. Okay, so now we just go in here. Alexa, turn off the television.
Okay.
See, shuts the whole system down. And we'll go in here, and we installed this one also. As you can see, it's on the wall. Beautiful installation, clean. It's a floating display. We're watching Hot Star right there.
Where
And
is Hot Star?
just tell your phone.
Yeah, phone.
You can tell your phone.
My phone is not there.
Oh, well, then hit home on your remote. Yep. And go up. Yep. Now go back left. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Go right. It's on here. I started. Go to the left and then hit apps. Go all the way to the left. Keep going. Keep going. Right there.
Yeah.
Right here. Right there. Now.
Wait, I can't see where is Hot Star?
I don't know. We'll have to look for it. Oh, go back to the right. Oh, go down to featured. That might be it. I don't know. Go to the right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Ring is there.
Yes, Link's there. Keep going. Keep going.
There's nothing there.
Okay, we'll go back. And then go back.
Maybe on the screen?
No, it's in there. I installed it. We just haven't played around with it yet. So go back up.
Oh.
Yeah. Go down maybe.
Go down?
Maybe. I don't know yet.
Okay.
Go down. No, that's Netflix.
Okay. Then go down.
Go back. That's YouTube.
Should I?
No.
No. Go down.
Yeah, that's Prime. Keep going down. So it's probably there's Google Play. Hold on. Now go to the right, maybe.
Yes.
Yeah. Because I installed Hot Star a little bit ago.
There's nothing there.
Keep going. Okay, go back. Well, anyway,
Huh?
see how I'm just calling the folks. So you see how beautiful it is in
This
here,
one?
folks. No, that's not it. See how beautiful it is in here, folks. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? Really
Then
beautiful
what
home.
to do?
And so we're going to go ahead and sign off and thank you folks for watching and everything. And we're going to go ahead and find Hot Star. But you've seen everything, so thank you very much. Very exciting. Comfort Technology, Home Cinema. Thank you very much.